Hi guys, it's Magical Forest. I actually haven't done an animal jam video in such a long time. So I thought it was the perfect time to. This is my outfit. Shout out to, it's Eva for buying me this. And we're going to go, so basically anything I touch, I buy. And the first shop I'm going to is the sapphire shop, which I don't have a lot of sapphires actually. So let's hope I don't get something too expensive. As you see, my house is still decorated for Valentine's Day, and I love it. So we're going to go now to the Jama. Okay, we're here. So let's go to the sapphire shop. There's really expensive items like the pet hedgehog. Okay, I'll close my eyes. I'm scared. I know which area is area. No! Okay, I just picked something. Now I have to pick a pet. These are 50 diamonds. Okay. Let's pick. I really want this one. I got that pet hedgehog. The only good thing about it is I actually already have the fur and stuff. Which color? I kind of want it to be a normal hedgehog. That's pretty cute. I'm gonna be back with my pet. Okay guys, so I just got my hedgehog, and we're gonna go to the next store, which is the clothing shop. And I got a good amount of money, so I can definitely afford anything there. Okay guys, we're in the clothing shop, and I'm gonna pick out a clothing, and hopefully it doesn't get too weird. Ooh. Okay, there's some really good items, but okay, I'm closing my eyes. I'm scared. I'm scared if I hit something. Hold on. I'm gonna open my eyes because I suggest not to hit anything, because if I do hit something, then I can't get out of it. So I'm just gonna roll my hand around. Okay, I got the heart beanie. Not that bad. Let's buy it. It's not that bad actually. It's better than I thought. I'll give this an 8 out. I'll give it an 8.5. Next, we're going to go to the furniture place, and that's our last place. Wait, we have another place after this, which is, if you know, the kind of, it used to be a dance studio, but they still have items there, really cool items. Okay, guys, we're here, and I'm about to buy my next item. Oh, this is like, I have most of this stuff. This is horrible. And it's really expensive too. Okay, guys, so I had to find something that I didn't really have any of those items, and I only have 2 of these. And I can anyways use another friendship banner and not Snow TV, so let's hope we don't get that one. I really want the heart-shaped kite. Okay, I'm closing my eyes. I'm just actually like rolling my finger around and then whatever lands on. What did I get? Not what I wanted, but it still looks really cool, especially that it's only that much money. Okay, I'm gonna go to the next place. Okay, guys, we're here. We're not gonna buy every single thing from each animal. First, I'm gonna have to pick an animal, so I'm gonna close my eyes and get in the middle. Okay, I got the monkey. I don't really like the monkey's clothing for me. Okay, I really want the wings. Or it's the armor thing. So let's try to get the wings. Okay, hit something. Ooh, okay. We're about to buy it. So what I have bought so far is a beanie, that armor that I just got, this pet hedgehog, and the floating lantern. Now we're going to go to, if you know, we're probably just going to go to this place and that's it, called Epic Wonders. I'll be back. So guys, since we're at this place, we're also going to the paint shop. So they don't really update their painting thing. If you hear that noise, it's just a toy that I like to play with. Okay, luckily I don't have any of these. The only one that I really don't want is probably Painted Rainbow, because right now it won't go with my dad. Okay, here we go. Pick. I'm spending a lot of money. I think once I count to 10, then I'll just like stop at a color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Green. I guess that's good for St. Patrick's Day. Okay, now we're going to go to Epic Wonders. Okay guys, we're here. First item we're going to do is the den. Epic Wonders, as you know, is super, super expensive. So I know I'm about to spend a whole lot of money. But this is going to really be bad. Here we go. I really want the hippo thing. What did I get? Oh no, I didn't want this one. I wanted the hippo one or the friendship feast table. Oof. Well, that was expensive. Now we're gonna go to the clothing. Okay, here we go. They do have new stuff that I haven't seen. I don't want the designer shoes for some reason. I kind of want the glitter horns. They just look really pretty. Okay, let's go pick. I didn't get anything. Okay. I guess I'm getting bad luck here, but this is actually not that bad. I didn't really see that item. Okay guys, so that's it for that video. If you like seeing me spend some of my money, especially this cost a lot. I hope you had a happy Valentine's Day. I did post a video on Valentine's Day. We're going to get to St. Patrick's Day, so I might do a series on St. Patrick's Day. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe, like, for more videos like this. Shout out to Mystical Sheeta and It's Eva. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. Bye!